We are cooking concoction rice today. This concoction rice, we will need fresh tomato and onions with dry shombo and dry tatashi, and we will need scent leaf also in preparing this concoction rice. I have my green habanero pepper slicing already, followed by with my dry shombo. So I'm done slicing them. Next is scent leaf. We need scent leaf in this native rice. So I've washed my scent leaf already, slicing them to use for this rice. These are the fish to use: smoked fish, Titus smoked fish, and bandla fish. I have my cow intestine and crayfish with my rice. So I add my palm oil in the pot, allow it to hot. So I come in with my onions, and my green habanero pepper, and my dry shombo and tatashi. So with my fresh tomato, so I will allow it to cook. Added my seasoning cube, then I had to come in with my assorted meats, with my goat meat, then with the smoked fish, and I will allow it to steam. Then I have to take out the smoked fish so it will not scatter. Then I added my rice, so I have to stir it very well. So I added water, cover my pot to cook. Then when the rice is done, I come in with my scent leaf. So I have to cover it just for 1 minute. Then I stir it. You can see my concoction rice is ready, very delicious. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video for more delicious meals.